You know what? They say six-pack gets you once. And I do have a six-pack. Bites get you once. And I do have 2 bites. Those numbers. Mine gets you once. And I do want some $50 left over. Looks gets you once. And I love getting photoshopped by this. Nothing gets you shit. You will enjoy your own fucking life. In my case, travel the world, come home as a fucking negro, and that's it, that's coming true.
The fly, we keep it Indian, rapping all the billions, better from Melbourne to Michigan. We used to live with villains and often killers, but sinners, we never oblivious about God the illest. Far from errors, we high five fellas, divine relics. On microphones, we define sickest. Apart from my name, there's one thing these women like saying. Yeah. Avidyana mantasthi mera mihira dvipanagiri. Jananam chaitanya stabakam karandastudishari. Translation. Oh gracious one, you're the sun that dispels the darkness of the unlettered. You're the stream of consciousness for the unthinking fool. Daridanam chintamani gunarika janma chalado nimajnanam tamsha muraripuparahasya bhavati. You are the all-given precious stone for the poor, for those crowned by the sea of birds to the tusk of the ball.